Hey guys, I'm back again. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Today I'll be showing you guys how to clip hair ends. There's a technique to everything, so I'll be showing you guys how I do it. First, you want to part the hair even amount to clip, that is. And as you can see, those ends are strandy, so you want to take that off with the scissors lightly. Not a big chop now, just lightly take off the split ends. I'll be parting the hair evenly, the same amount as from before, combing that out just to get all the strands in one direction. I'm going to clip it evenly. You can see those loose ends, and just take them off. And there you have it. So I'm almost finished with one half of my hair right now, and I'm at the front. As I said before, guys, I'm gonna repeat the process. You want to comb through the hair, can't be too much, so you gotta take out some and clip. As you guys can see, and make sure your scissors is sharp and using hair only. You don't want to use a cloth scissors in your hair. You want to make sure you have the right tools. And you can see my white tooth comb again. After I'm finished, I just brush the hair through. As you can see. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more.